So next I create here collapsible button. Follow the steps as I perform. First I add here icons. Click on Insert tab. Then click on Icons. Then select this icon. Then I select another icon. I select other icon, this icon. Then click on Insert. Then resize these two icons. Drag and drop this icon at this position. More resize. Then change the icon colors white color. Then select this icon and place at this position. More resize. Then click on white color. Next I add here another shape. In this shape I will add toggle and other buttons. Click on shapes. Then scroll down. Select this shape. Draw this shape at this position. Turn this shape at 360 degree. Then drag and drop at this position. Change the shape color white and select no outline. Then I resize this shape. Increase the height up to 2.64. And increase the width up to 1.88. Then drag down. Move this button slightly down. Then place this shape at this position. Then I add here text box. In this text box I type color theme. Copy any text box and paste here. Then select all text. Change the text color black. Then click on bold. Increase the text size up to 12. Type here color themes. Resize this text box. Place this text box at this position. Then I add here theme buttons. After a while, I will add links in these buttons. So copy any shapes. Click on copy, then click on paste. Drag and drop at this position. First I change the outline color black. Then drag at this position. Inside this shape type theme 1. Then select all. Change the text color black and bold. Click on center and middle alignment. Resize this shape. Then copy and paste this shape at this position. Remove this shape. Slightly decrease the size of this shape. Then copy this shape and place at this position. Type here theme number 2. Then press Ctrl key and select these two shapes. Align these two shapes at top. Then press mouse and slightly drag up. Then copy these two shapes and place at this position. Then again copy these two shapes and place at this position. Type here theme number 3 and type here theme number 4. Then type here theme number 5 and 6. Then add here another text box, index text box. I type buttons visibility. Type here buttons visibility. Resize this text box. Then I add here toggle button. Click insert tab. Click on picture. Select this picture. Then drag and drop this picture at this position. Then format this picture. I select this color. Then I add here text box. In this text box I type on or off to reflect this toggle button. Select any text box. Copy and paste at this position. Then select all. Change the text color black. Type here on. Again select all. Click on bold and change the text color black. Then I add here another text box for information visibility. Copy this text box and place at this position. Type here info visibility. Resize this text box and place at this position. Then copy this image and paste at this position. Slightly move up this text box. Then copy this text box and paste at this position. Then select this shape, select all. Select the shape fill color. I select this color. Then right click on this shape. Decrease the transparency up to 0. Then I change this information button. Click on icons, scroll down. Select this icon. Resize. Then drag and drop at this position. Change the color white. Then I add here two more buttons. These two buttons will change the chart type dynamically. So select this shape, click on copy and paste. Place at this position. In this shape type quantity. Then click on center and middle alignment. Resize this shape. Select outline color white and select no fill. Then copy this shape and paste here. In this shape type revenue. Currently this chart shows revenue value, so for highlighting this button I fill white color and change the text color black. First select all, then select these two shapes, click on top alignment.